Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about division of fractions. Find the quotient. 1/3 divided by 2/5. First, keep the first fraction as is. Then, change the division sign to a multiplication. Then flip the second fraction or swap the numerator and the denominator. Next, multiply the numerators. 1 times 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. Then multiply the denominators. We have here 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. So, our final answer is 5/6. Another problem. 3/5 divided by 5/6. First, keep the first fraction as is. Then, change the division sign to a multiplication. And flip the second fraction or swap the numerator and denominator. So we have here 6/5. Now, multiply the numerators. 3 times 6 equals 18. Multiply the denominators. We have here 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So, our final answer is 18/25. Another problem. 2/3 divided by 4/5. First, keep the first fraction as is. Then, change the division sign to a multiplication. And flip the second fraction or swap the numerator and the denominator. So I have here 5/4. Now, multiply the numerators. We have here 2 times 5 equals 10. Multiply the denominators. We have here 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now, reduce this value to its lowest form. 2 is the greatest common factor of 10 and 12. So, divide both 10 and 12 by 2 to simplify. Now, divide the numerator. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And divide the denominator. We have here 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So, our final answer is 5/6. Another problem. 2/6 divided by 4/8. First, keep the first fraction as is. We have here 2/6. Then, change the division sign to a multiplication. And flip the second fraction or swap the numerator and the denominator. We have here 8/4. Then multiply the numerators. We have here 2 times 8 equals 16. And multiply the denominators. We have here 6 times 4 equals 24. Now, reduce this value to its lowest form. 8 is the greatest common factor of 16 and 24. So, divide both 16 and 24 by 8 to simplify. Now, 16 divided by 8 equals 2. And 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So our final answer is 2/3. Another problem. 4/5 divided by 5/7. First, keep the first fraction as is. We have here 4/5. Change the division sign to a multiplication. And flip the second fraction. We have here 7/5. Now, multiply the numerators. We have here 4 times 7 equals 28. And multiply the denominators. We have here 5 times 5 equals 25. 28 25ths is improper fraction. Now, change this improper fraction to mixed number. So we are going to divide 28 divided by 25. 28 divided by 25 equals 1. So 1 times 25 equals 25. Now subtract. 28 minus 25 equals 3. So the quotient will be our whole number. And the remainder will be our numerator. And copy the denominator 25. So our final answer is 1 and 3/25. Another problem. 5/6 divided by 3/7. First, keep the first fraction as is. We have here 5/6. Change the division sign to a multiplication. Then flip the second fraction. Now we have here 7/3. Now multiply the numerators. We have here 5 times 7 equals 35. Divide the denominators. We have here 6 times 3 equals 18. So this fraction is improper fraction. Now, change improper fraction to a mixed number. So we are going to divide 35 divided by 18. So we have here 1. 1 times 18 equals 18. Now subtract. 35 minus 18 equals 17. So the quotient here will be our whole number. And the remainder will be our numerator. And copy the denominator 18. So our final answer is 1 and 17/18. Quiz time, let's answer this. Find the quotient. Write your answers in lowest terms if possible. 2/3 divided by 3/4. You only have 5 seconds to answer. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 8/9. Next, 1/6 divided by 1/5. Time's up. The answer is 5/6. Next, 1/5 divided by 3/4. Time's up. The answer is 4/15. 1/4 divided by 4/7. Time's up. The answer is 7/16. 3/4 divided by 5/6. Time's up. The answer is 9/10. 2/4 divided by 3/5. Times up. The answer is 5/6. Next, 4/5 divided by 6/7. Times up. The answer is 14/15. Another 1/3 divided by 1/5. Times up. Answer is 1 2/3. Next, 3/5 divided by 4/7. Times up. The answer is 1 1/20. 5/7 divided by 1/8. Times up. The answer is 5 5/7. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about division of fractions. Thanks for watching.